Did you know that you can package your cartons in a more cheaper way by using ingredients like starch and then caustic soda? These two ingredients will help you save a lot of money from buying sellotape to package your boxes or your cartons or anything that you use to package your product. So stay tuned and enjoy. This is Absolute GH. I'm going to teach you this simple method to save you money from spending a lot in the packaging of your products. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And also leave a comment if you don't understand anything. Your comments, your likes, your subscription helps boost this channel to enable us to bring you more of side things. So we are going to make starch that we will use to, we will use to package our cartons or our boxes. Instead of using sellotape, now sellotape is very expensive. So you buy sellotape, sellotape, a few quantity of cartons or boxes, and then the sellotape is finished. So now we are going to learn cheaper way of packaging our products with cartons or any other box that you use to make your product, to package your product. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to use water. This is cassava starch. If you have cornstarch, you can use it. This is caustic soda, and then this is my stirring spoon. I've already measured all the ingredients here with my scale, so I will give the measurement to you. I've already measured everything here, so I will just pour in my cassava starch. It's as simple as ABC. This thing is not difficult at all. You just have to pour in your cassava starch and then you stir. I have the remaining water here after I've mixed it. If after you have mixed it and you realize it's too thick, you can still add water. You can still add in more water. And if you realize that it's too light, then you can increase the quantity of your starch and then the caustic soda to take in it. So this is so simple. I'll just pause the video and stir until it is well mixed before we continue. So I'm done stirring it. So this time I'll go ahead and then add in the caustic soda. And then stir. I'll just pour and be stirring. So now you can see it's very thick, so I'll add in my remaining water. I'll continue to stir and then show it to you. So this is the final result. So let me show you how you can use the glue to package your product. Any product that you have, especially if it is carton. So you just have to fold your carton first. And then you apply the glue at the surface that you want to close, as I'm showing you in the video. So you apply it at the whole area. If it's a thin line something, then you apply it at the place that you want to stick. Then you put in something, or you put in your product in the box immediately. You put it on the floor, then you put your product in it. The weight of the product will help the carton or the box to stick fast and also to harden fast. So like I'm showing you in the video, I'm using this product because this is the one uh, I'm currently packaging. So after putting your product inside, then you cover the top. So when you cover it, in order to make it get firm faster, you can put an object on top of it, or you can use another box fill with and your product, and then you put it on top of it. After like 10-15 minutes, you see that it will get stuck, and it's not easy to open. It's not easy to open at all. So thank you for watching my video to the end.